ready to transform lifeless photos into captivating animations that will stop viewers in their tracks. Let's dive into Adobe After Effects and learn how to bring your still images to life first. Import your chosen image into your project, drag and drop it into the timeline, or import it from a file menu. Next, select the image in the timeline. We'll focus on a basic move the Ken Burns effect, which simulates camera movement. For that, we adjust the size and position. Select the anchor point tool. Then reposition your images by changing where the camera focuses. Now, let's scale your image using the scale properties. Change the size and make it a little bigger. This will allow us to pan across the image. In preparation of a zoom effect, click the clock icon next to position to add a keyframe. Then, move your playhead forward a few seconds. Adjust the position values the image to move the image to a different spot. Keyframes appear. Go further down the timeline and add another set of keyframes. Then, on the last keyframe, adjust the scale and scale it out. This will give you the effect it's zooming in. See how your image is beginning to move. Now, go back and add some keyframes for the position. If you have these on different parts of the timeline, you will have a video that scrolls, pans, and zooms. You can adjust the speed and duration to tailor the movements. Let's add some flair. Go to Effects and Presets and search for things that will take your video to the next level. Today, let's include a simple glow effect. Drag the effect onto your image. Now, with a few keyframes and some basic effects, you've transformed a still image into an engaging video. Experiment with different animations, effects, and transitions to truly make your pictures pop.